All right, today we're going to bring some crimpers for wiring, and this is for heavy duty electrical work that you're going to do. It comes with some cutters here, also some of these metal copper heads, all right, the different sizes, all right, because every wire is different. So we are going to do one, and we're also going to do a heat gun with it treatment, so you guys can see from proper way to do it. Now this is the actual crimper that you're going to require to push a couple of your strings just to tighten it up. And like I said, very different sizes. They're including the copper heads here and multiple plastic ends. All right, so we're going to put it together, including the gloves too. We're going to put it together and see how it works. First of all, here we have a cable, right? And the cable is not very stable, so we're going to cut it to a point where we actually could get a clean cut. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to put in the gloves first. The safety gloves go first.
So now we want to clean this cable, because the connection that we need, we don't want it so long, so we're gonna clean it up and then cut it with the wire cutters. So you see it's really nice and sharp, really clean cut.
That's it. All right. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually use the system in it, and then all you have to do is make sure you put it in the between here and close it up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and try the crimper after we set up the actual cut. So just make sure you have it properly set. And once you have to do is pull it towards, put some strength in it and open it up, and the cable's done already. All right, so we just passed a little plastic in and we're gonna seal it up. We're gonna waterproof it, all right? Just make sure you don't cover the actual main entrance of the cable. And we're gonna heat treat it so you could melt it into it and do it sealed perfect. So all you got to do is run a heat gun to it, up and down. For outdoor graded, if you guys can see, we sealed it up completely, so no copper or anything showing up. All you got to do is make sure you properly set this up to you where electrical work or anywhere you can set up. And very simple. They come in black and red, so negative and positive. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.